We've played Airplane Story 1. Today we're going to play Airplane Story 2. I know what you're thinking. It's probably a fake like most 2s are, but I checked to make sure, and they're by the same person, which probably means it's actually a sequel. So, yeah, now before we get started, make sure you subscribe and turn on channel post notifications. Now, without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so far it doesn't really look like a fake. I mean, there's working treadmills. What's this dude? What do you say? You've been invited to a super trip with the president. Okay. What's up with Poncho Kings? So let's play the game. Wait, what? I don't want to play this. No, we just played. Yeah, go back to Airplane Story 2. I don't want to play Airplane Story 1 again. Yeah, get back here. How many people in this? This is more. Player 0? Okay. There's another player. I'm hopping with them. What? People, come on. No! I'm not being the only person in an airplane again. That did not go well. Fine. Ooh, the surfboard does not look nearly as nice. Is this first class or something? Yeah, this piece looks like poop. I would not. Is this like a? It's either this is like a real weird private jet or like. Ugh, this sucks. This is not what I want to fly in. Yo, hello everybody. Welcome back. Airplane Story 2. It doesn't exactly say story, but I'm going to pretend it said story. Why not? My name is Yeah, I can tell. I'll be your pilot in this flight. I hope there's no demons attacking. Yeah, I can tell. Is this like a private jet or something? Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the now presidential aircraft. Oh, this is what this is. It's a private jet. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. I kind of died in an airplane last time, but sure. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Yeah, it's because demons took over. Anyway, you saved the day, and that is the reason we are here. Yeah. I really hope you don't get attacked by demons, because this is a small plane. Alright, enough chatting. Where is he going to come from? I'm kind of scared. I want to... Please find this... See, there's a golden label with your name. Ooh, golden label. I don't know where the golden label is. Oh, wait, that's not gold. How is that gold? Wait, is it gold? That does not look like gold to me, but... Has my name on it? Did we just execute a barrel roll? I mean, kind of. It's like a half barrel roll. Did we just do a barrel? Yeah! Me and my Roblox character are thinking the same thing. Thanks for your cooperation. Yeah. Doing a barrel roll. That's totally normal thing. I've informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Okay, oh, in this room, yay! Okay, this is a service room? Not in the service room. What? Hello? Hello? It does not no. Oh, there you are. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Yeah, it's an honor to be here on a small plane. And congratulations for what you have done. Yeah, I'm the only person here. Your country is grateful. What country is Roblox even in? I'm gonna say it's Robloxia. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. What is it? There's a flat screen in here? Flat screen. Big screen. Oh, wow. Can we sit here? The president is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. Like, actual couple minutes. But there is something you must know before that. Itch my armpit. The president is very special. He gets mad very easy. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. Yeah. That's all. Okay, because I'm going to be using the picture. That's all. The president should be almost ready. Okay, so it was an actual couple minutes. That's not impatient, just enough to yeah. Why don't you grab a glass of water while we wait? What? Oh no, I'm so sorry, oh gosh. Look at this mess. I just clicked. I'm going to be so mad. Yep, he's going to be really mad. Workroom? Workroom. He, perhaps? That? I'm so confused. What? What do I clean? Trust crew only. Get into the crew only. Service room, perhaps? Oh, yes, a broom. I found a broom. What? I found a freaking broom, bro. I found a broom. You've got to be back to lobby. This is ridiculous. I found a broom. Let's try this again. Presidential airplane. I have to be on the presidential airplane. This is stupid. What is anybody in any of these? Okay, fine. I'll just be a Lone Ranger again. 5, 4, 3. Yep. There we go. Do this again. It wasn't very hard. I just kind of finding something else to clean it with. It's not a broom. I know where the broom and cleaning stuff is now. Sit down. Same seat. Same back screen TV. Can I watch something? No. Oh, also a flat screen, which is big screen. No, big screen. Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Airplane 2. Yay. Click it. My name isn't Passenger. I have a perfectly good name. My name is Keely. I will be your pilot in this flight. It's not Kelly, it's Keely. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Yeah. It's the blah 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 blah. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft. Yeah, blah 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 yada yada yada. You've already heard this. Just go to the cookies and milk. I saved an airplane last time. Still, I died on the airplane last time. Didn't exactly save it, but here I am. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. He got abducted by demons, which doesn't seem very believable, but that's what happened. Okay, I've already read all this. Alright, enough chatting. I can't believe I died because I had a... There's a golden label with your name. Again, it's not gold. It looks like it's like... something. Oh, wait. It's kind of gold. So that doesn't really look like gold. Barrel roll, barrel roll! Okay. Again, that happened. Yep. We just executed a barrel roll. Can we just do a barrel roll? Yep. We did. And she's acting like it's completely normal. Don't understand that at all. I don't know why I'm mad. I'm not mad. Okay, we'll just get to the part. We're back at the broom. And just, okay, I've been informed the president agent has been waiting for you in the next room. Yep, let's go. Open up door. There we go. Click here. Get the note. And he should be coming any second. Talking. But nobody should know about this. Oh, what did they say? Go ahead and grab a broom. Going to go ahead and grab a broom. Can I not grab a broom? I am not grabbing the broom for whatever reason. And congratulations for what you have done. Yes. Country is grateful. I'm grateful. I mean, I died, but follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. What if I don't grab the glass of water? Will everything be okay? Workroom? This place. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. But there's something you must know before that. The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. I'll make sure of it. Try to get a broom. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why don't you... So sorry, yep. Grab a broom. Give me the broom. Okay, I got the broom. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I got the broom. Work with me. Clean up the mess. I do. Okay, put away the broom. No evidence. So that's what I have to do. It's ready now. Please want me to the dining room. I thought this was the dining room. What is this then? Like the meeting room or something? Oh, I just like go black and yeah. Okay. Oh, this would be the I see the like meal. That's the president. Oh my gosh. He even has the. I know he isn't the president anymore, but he doesn't. He has the orange skin. You know who I'm talking about. Wait, what? What do you mean brick wall? I'm sorry. It's the habit. Your name is Ronald? Oh my. Makes sense. They couldn't use Donald, so they made it Ronald. What is it? Ronald Grump? My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Robloxia Estates. That's not the name for a country. You must know you are heroes for this nation. Still died on that plane. Twice. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Wow, I'm actually kind of hungry in real life. Not really, but... Interrupting, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. Oh no, I believe the chef messed up. Run. What? Throw that chef off this plane? Hello? We're like 37,000 feet up in the air, and you want to pull him up the plane? And you look like a great chef. Oh no, come on. I mean, I'm pretty good at cooking in real life, but Mr. President, I've never cooked before. I have. I mean, if I've cooked before, then my Roblox character should have cooked before. We better learn quick or I'm flying off the plane too. Okay, dude. Chill, my guy. Ultimate Gaming 91011. I will tell you the ingredients, and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs. No. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can, but be quick. Are you ready? No? Okay, I'll cook. What do I need? Chicken. Got it. Where's the chicken? Give me the chicken. Put in the soup pot. Soup pot. Corn. Where's the corn? Where the freak is the corn? Where's the corn? Get the corn. Put in the soup pot. I just got the corn. Is this not corn? Take the corn. Get the corn. Put the soup pot. Potato? Where's the potato? I just saw the potato. Got the potato. Put the potato in the soup pot. Good. Fish. I don't think it needs like that kind of fish, but got the fish. Okay, put it in the soup pot. Okay. Food is ready. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Wonder what kind of soup this is. Hope it's good. I think it's kind of funny that I just threw up a whole fish into the soup pot. It looks delicious. Yeah, because I cooked it. Let's see. I want to take this seat near Mr. President. No, I want to be far away from him because if he doesn't like it, I will be able to run away from him and I won't just get punched in the face. Take a seat. I really, if it wasn't just me, imagine if everybody in the server was just scrambling around in the kitchen. I think it would have chose one person. But can I click it? Eat. I want to eat it. I want to eat. Nom 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 eat. Nom 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 eat. Nom 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 eat. Noise. Did the bowls disappear? We hope you enjoy the soup. President had to leave early. He should be meeting you again at the presidential suite. In the plane? Please follow the path to the computer room. What path? Do I go this way? Dining room. Oh, this way. Computer room. I'm in the computer room. Welcome to the computer room. Am I gonna be playing am I gonna be playing Roblox and Roblox? Am I a gamer in a game? To protect any cybernetic attacks to our system. Oh, that's what we do. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. In the plane. Okay? In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Okay, do I get into the computer? This is kind of weird. Let's see, Baka. Oh. If I click it twice, it says they're all just different colors randomly. Okay. I think I know what this is. I think I have to find some colors. I thought it was that note thing I was collecting. But I need to like some colors. I need some colors. The workroom, maybe? Anything in here? Oh, can I turn these on? Cannot. Okay, so it's something with those computers and those only. Crew only room, don't want to go in there. Okay, the service room. Maybe, blue, pink, red. Maybe it's like blue, pink, red. I can't go any farther than this. Hacker, there's nothing to do on the dang computer. I can't go in there. Just trust. Workroom, nothing there. What was it? Blue, pink, red? I think that was it. I have good memory. Just to be sure. Blue, pink, red. Let's try that. If it isn't blue, pink, red, I will look somewhere else. Dining room, anything in the dining room? Nope. Like, click on the TV? No. Okay. Going back to the computer room. Okay, so let's try blue. Is there like a darker blue I can do? Hello? Don't want green, don't want purple, don't want that. Hey, stop! Hello, I don't want white. I don't want white! Maybe I'm too close to it? Yo, I don't want to. Let me change the color of you. Did I seriously screw up? Blue, pink, we go to red. Bro. Okay, how does one... Yo, like you're seeing this. Okay, it changed the color of that. Yo, this is not giving me anything. Yo, I like cannot change the color. Do I have to change the color like that? Oh, I have to click the keyboard. Oh, that makes sense. Yo. Blue. Maybe I have to go like to this one. Yo, what the heck? Yo, like that one is the only one that can. Oh, I just need to click it until I can't click it anymore, can I? Is that it? Hey, keep clicking. I'm going to click at the top. Hello. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I can't click it anymore. Let's try this one. I can't click it anymore. I think I'm understanding this. Okay, can't click those. Do red now. Do it now. And that's it. Whoa. We really need to work on that code. I barely figured it out. Meet with the president in the next room. Hello, Ronald Dump. Ronald Dump. That's what I'm gonna call him. What's this room? Pilot room. Okay. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. It's fine. Everybody leaves early. I had to. Get everything ready. Ready now? Yeah. Anyways, as our very special guests, I'll let you sleep in a presidential bedroom. Yay. For some reason, I can't find the key. Can you look for them? They should be somewhere around this room. Around? Or like in? Can I open the drawers? No, can I like... Found them. Get the keys. Pick up the keys. Yo, pick up the keys. I'm literally clicking. Okay, there. Got the keys. Great! Let's open the door then. I hope there's no, like, demon or something. Okay, good. I'm expecting demons like the last one. Oh, just... Oh, there's a note. Note. This is where you will be spending the night. Yay. There's room for everyone. There isn't if there's people in the server, but I'm the only one here, so it's perfect. I'll give you time to get you guys comfy. I think it's kind of funny that he said build that brick wall, because I literally have a smashed brick wall on my shirt. Now let's yeah, comfy. Stand on the bed that's comfy. Close the door to get comfy. Yeah, I'll sleep. Okay. It's nighttime already. I'm still standing on the bed. Wait. I can't sleep. Wait a second. You saw the speech bubble where the guy said, "Can't let anyone know about this." Not looking. Yep, nope, definitely, absolutely not. Oh no, what is it? It's the monster. That thing again? Wait a minute. Is that the president? It said no one can know about this, and he's very special. Did you forget about me so early? I didn't forget about you at all. Whoa! I'm running! Get out of the computer room. Go. Remember the way. Move it. I'm so scared. Oh, we can go back? Storage, go in. Is this where I was supposed to go? I think. Please tell me it was. I'm gonna stay right here. I'm scared. Oh. Nope. This was where I was supposed to go. Collecting notes. Okay. My heart is pounding. I mean, not pounding, but still. Like, I'll try to get through this whole thing if I can. Are we safe now? Maybe. I hope there's no snakes, and if there are snakes, the floor! I'm high as I can go. This is the highest level. Oh my gosh. That was so... Oh my gosh. Fire's gone, thank goodness. What is happening? And yet all this stuff isn't burned. How does that make sense? Like, at all? Oh my god, the phone. Yep, pick up. Hello? Who's there? I'm here. Is it me from the other world? Hey guys, yeah? I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible was happening on this plane. You look happy? You don't say. Yeah, she doesn't say. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Get closer while I do that, but be careful. Oh no. The monster might still be around. I don't want to go out. Being very careful, very cautious. I don't. Snakes? No snakes. I don't like snakes. I'm not gonna let him catch anything. Is he chasing me? Oh no! No! I was so close. So close. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm kind of disappointed that I died right when it was, well, it already was pretty intense, but right when it was stepping up a notch. But still, I actually thought it was really fun. Now, I'm gonna stop jumping on treadmills. Yeah, see you guys next time.